हो सकता है आपका liver भी हो गया हो, आपका ये भी हो गया, आपको भी हो गया. I just came out of the room. Like I wasn't too impressed with what he was saying. So I just came out of the room. While growing up into a Christian household, a devout Christian family, हम लोग को बहुत दफा ये सिखाया गया है that we will not say that we don't have discouragements, but we've been trained of not receiving them. हमें ट्रेनिंग दी जाती है बचपन से in our church that we've been taught, don't receive discouragements. Discouragements will hit you, but don't receive it. Unless you open your arms to receive discouragements, they won't trash you. And we said we don't want to receive this discouragement. This is a discouraging news that's coming to our ear. You know, I guess आप में कई लोगों Excel sheets पे काम करते होंगे. There's one thing that I love about Excel. Excel के अंदर एक फंक्शन होता है जिसको filters कहते हैं. ऊपर filters लगे होते हैं. So you can actually look at the data that you want to look at. I really pray to God that we should have filters in our ears, that we can filter information that's coming into our ear, so that we only take in information that is for our benefit, then taking all information and then processing into the CPU, which is the brain. अच्छा ये रहता है कि हम selective information को ले, and the information which is not good for us, let's not process that information. उस information को please छोड़ दीजिए. I came out, मेरे को थोड़ा सा dizzy feel हुआ, और उसके बाद मैं hospital में admit हो गया. I was in the hospital for 11 days. 11 दिन initially from the 6th of January till the 17th of January 2018. I was in the hospital. और अलग-अलग tests हो रहे थे, and since I had issues with my blood, so 7th को they came with a trolley और कहा आपका bone marrow extract करना है. I had never done that, but किसी बहुत साल पहले मुझे बताया था it's quite painful. तो डॉक्टर ने बोला just turn and lie down, करवट लेके आप लेट जाओ. So I lie down, and they went for my spine, lower spine, and they drew the sample. It was quite painful. It was quite painful. So, and I was, उसके बाद उन्होंने बोला लेटे रहो, and I was lying down, and they were giving me some steroids to get me started with my chemo and other stuff. So वो लोग जब मेरे को दे रहे थे, तो एक रात को मैं सो रहा था. I was sleeping one night, and I clearly heard in my ear, you are on a protected path. You are on a protected path. I thought, oh, I'm getting too desperate. कई बार क्या होता है, when you are desperate to have something, you want to hear what you want to hear. I heard that voice, I can't even remember how many times. I think 5-6 times the same night. You're on a protected path. You are on a protected path. Don't worry, you are on a protected path. I said, okay, I'm on a protected path. I received it. I said, okay, this is an information that the filters in my ear should let in for my brain to process. And I started processing that information. Yes, I'm on a protected path. And and that day I heard, closer to my discharge, जब मैं discharge होने वाला था hospital से, तो मैंने एक चीज मेरे अंदर से आवाज आई, that don't look at any of your reports. Don't look at any of your reports. आप यकीन जानिए, मैंने आज तक 2 साल हो गए हैं, आज तक मैंने अपनी कोई रिपोर्ट नहीं देखी है. It's all a part of selective hearing and selective reading. आप लोगों ने सबने वो कहावत सुनी होगी, think of the devil and devil is there. सुना है ना? And we still watch horror movies. And that's the biggest irony. That's the biggest irony. We want to hear all negative. We want to read negative. How can we get positive? How do we deal with the positivity? How do we deal with something which is for better? जो अच्छाई है वो हम कैसे deal करेंगे? How can we deal with it? So I heard, don't look at any of your reports. I said, I will not look. And you know, the walk with God, as we've learned, and I would say it again, like Sharad has been a big source of inspiration for me. He's my brother in the band. So he's always taught me to depend on the Lord. Through his life and through his testimonies, I have seen over the years I've known him for like more than 15 years or maybe. He's taught me how to be dependent on God. So, and it all begins with what you hear, you need to obey. So obedience is a big part of it. It's not hearing for everywhere. Suno sabki karo apni. I am not a big fan of that, like frankly. So I said I will not look at any report. You know what? The moment I decided that I will not look at reports whatsoever, none whatsoever, you know, there's another voice that I heard. You know what that voice was? Your reports will not decide your faith, but your faith will decide the report. Let me say it again to you. Your reports will not determine your faith, but your faith has got the power to determine your reports. I started trusting the Lord. I went back home on the 17th. On 16th, I got my first chemo. 16th, I got my first chemo. And 16th morning, I got this news that I am suffering from acute lymphoblast leukemia. I don't even know how to pronounce the damn thing. It's called the blood cancer. Okay, and 85% of my blood was infected. 85% blasts हो रहे थे. So basically, long story short, इसमें ऐसा होता है that my body was making my proteins, my genes were making some cells that was not required by my body. मेरी जो genes थी कोई ऐसा mutate कर रही थी, कुछ ऐसा cells बना रही थी जिससे मेरी body का कोई फायदा नहीं हो रहा था. But in turn, those things, those proteins were turning out to be tumors. वो tumors बन रहे थे और वो blast हो रहे थे. So then I realized जो मेरे हाथ में दर्द था, that was the blasts happening in my hand. जो pain हो रहा था inside the bone. So basically 85% of my bone marrow was gone for a toss. खत्म हो चुकी थी. So, and that's where we started. Doctor कहते 50% है, बचोगे नहीं बचोगे, हो सकता है बच जाओ. But it's very difficult, no? You know, like you are at a high risk. You're at a high risk. Your disease is at a high risk. And I told the doctor, I will walk out of this hospital. You will see me walking out of the same hospital. And I won't even go on a wheelchair. I will walk out of this hospital. You know, faith can move the mountains. Faith can do what humans cannot do. That's what the power of faith is. And and let me just complete this thing. It's not having faith in anything and everything. It's not just having faith in anything. हम लोग किसी चीज का भी विश्वास कर सकते हैं. जैसे मैंने भी बोला, music cannot heal. Music doesn't have the power to heal. What the music contains, what it contains, does it have the power to heal? And most of our music, in fact, all of our music is inspired from the Bible. So I came back home, I opened my Bible, and guess what? And it was a very thick Bible. This is a thinner version. I opened the Bible and it came to it came to a book which is called the Book of Psalms. It's called the Book of Psalms. And it opened, and I didn't browse through this. Believe me, I did not browse through this. I just opened it randomly, and it opened at Psalm 118 and verse 17 that states that I shall not die, but I shall live and declare the glory of God. You know what I'm doing right now? I'm declaring the glory of God because I'm living. According to the doctor, I was not supposed to live. According to the doctors, they had written me off. उन्होंने मेरा chapter और मेरा file बंद कर दिया था. But God had different plans for me. God had a different idea. God had a totally different plan for me. आज का दिन मैं witness नहीं करता. Every time I've got a family, I've got wife and I've got kids. जब भी मैं उनका birthday celebrate करता हूँ, I am in awe of God. I'm in awe of God. That God, I was not supposed to see this day. I was not supposed to see this day. The reason I'm living is you. मैं जी इसलिए पा रहा हूँ because God enabled me to live. Otherwise, I wouldn't have been living today. And then that's where my story started. That's where my treatment started. So my treatment started, and they put me on a first chemo plan. वो लगभग 28 दिन का प्लान था, जिसमें 18 days I had to go to the hospital, daycare, as you all know. Daycare जाना होता था, and I used to hate going to hospital. Like, I used to just simply hate it. और I used to feel dizzy. मेरे को चक्कर आते थे हॉस्पिटल के नाम से भी. But here, 18 days in a month, I had to be there. I went there, went for a treatment, and doctor said कि आपका ना, आपकी तबीयत काफी खराब है. It's not you're not good. And every week they used to do a blood test on me. Every week I used to have a blood test. Every week. So this was my last day of that first phase. कीमो के first days का last day था. और last day पे the doctor came regularly, जैसे visit करने आते, and he was flipping through the file. और उन्होंने कहा कि देखिए, अभी आपका ना bone marrow नहीं कराएंगे. You know what the plan is that बहुत सारा कीमो देने के बाद then they do a bone marrow to check कि आपकी थेरेपी कैसी चल रही है. So that was the plan. तो उन्होंने कहा, since आपको जैसे आपको 85% आपका ब्लड इन्फेक्टेड था, 85% you had this issue. इतनी जल्दी आपको पेन देने का कोई फायदा नहीं है. Like 18 days sort of chemo won't help you much. It won't help you. So the moment, that night before, we have got this culture of a family prayer. We pray every night as a family. So that's how like each one of us sitting in the team as Adonai. So we have a family prayer time, and that's a totally different realm that God takes us to. Especially जब मैं उस time में था, God was really ministering to me. I could hear him. I could see visions. I just can't tell you what I was going through. I just can't express what I was going through. That day, a night before, we heard that I am changing the pattern. Don't worry, I'm changing the pattern. And I couldn't understand your pattern. What pattern is he talking about? 10:30, 11 o'clock, the doctor comes and he said, देखिए, अभी तो आपको let's put you on phase 2 and let us complete half bit of phase 2, and then we will do a bone marrow second time. I said, okay, as you say. And when he was going through my report, उनके पास एक regular उसी time जो same week की report थी that stuck his eye. And you know what he said? He looked at the report. And I was amazed of what the doctor said. You know what he said? He said, the pattern has changed. The pattern has changed. Your blood patterns have changed. Can we do a bone marrow on Monday? This was a Saturday. And I said, okay. अब मेरे को डर लग रहा है, बोल तो क्या, okay. But I was like shit scared about getting the pain and getting my spine punctured again. But I went, I prayed, God, I don't need pain. I really don't need pain. I went there, God is so faithful. Like, I just love Jesus. He's so faithful. This new doctor came in. मुझे पता ही नहीं चला कि मेरा spine, bone marrow extract हो गया. I had no clue. So Monday they did the test. Wednesday, you know what happened? The report came in. So my mother and my sister went to the hospital to get my report. As I've earlier said, I hate going to hospital. मेरे को अच्छा नहीं लगता hospital में जाके doctor के सामने बैठना. So my went and they came back. जब वो लोग वापस आए, and they were like totally zoned off. They had no clue. मैंने कहा क्या निकला है कुछ? What is the problem? 18 days back, I had 85% blast. 18 days into therapy, my blast had come down to less than 1%. Less than 1%. Can you imagine?
Wow.
We haven't done this.
Amazing.
I take the glory on my own self. This is God and God alone who heals. There is no person who can heal. And I really liked the way Dimple started. And I truly agree with your statement that that doctors can cure, but they cannot heal. We all believe in the same thing, that we can only get a treatment. We don't get healing. Healing is healing of your heart. Your heart needs to be healed. Okay, so 18 days into the treatment, from 85%, less than 1%. Suddenly, from a high risk client, I came down to medium risk. Suddenly I came to medium risk. And then they said कि आपको पता है आपका cause क्या था? You know why this happened to you? I said, no, how would I know? I said, आप क्या था? आपने अपना biopsy की report देखी? I said, no. So doctor ने बोला, why मतलब क्यों नहीं देखते आप? Like you don't watch reports? I said, no, it's not going to matter. It's not going to matter. She said, नहीं, but a lot of people are. मैं आसपास जो डे केयर में लोग होते थे, and I'm sure आप लोग सबने देखा होगा. Every person has done a lot of research on Google. A lot of people do research on Google and they come up with trying to train the consultant. All of us have seen that part. We try to give information to a consultant, which is great. But I'm not that person. I've never been that person. What I have learned is I'm a consultant myself. So the basic rule that I've learned is that never mess up with a consultant. Don't mess up with him. He's talking with some experience. He's got something. He's going a direction. That's fine. So I was not that type going into Google and finding ये acute होता क्या है, acute lymphoblast leukemia होता क्या है, क्यों हुआ, कैसे हुआ, like so have you. Like I was not interested. I was interested that I'm on a protected path. I was only interested. My interest lied in following what was being told to me every day. Every day, every night I was being told about different things. जो मेरे को अगले दिन डे केयर में होना होता था, मुझे एक रात पहले God used to reveal. I mean, amazingly, God used to tell me. Amazingly, He used to tell me. Then, they said 85% आपका bone marrow has gone. So I think you need a bone marrow transplant. I said, okay, let's do it. Said, then do you have a donor? I said, no. Then he said, do you have a sibling? I said, yeah, I've got a sister. I've got an elder sister. Okay, then we can take a sample and we'll do it. That night before I was praying to God, it's really painful. How would my sister go in for that? Please, why don't you have a jugaad of getting the bone marrow from elsewhere? Like, it's really painful. How would my sister go through it? That very night, my sister heard a voice that I'm not the donor. My sister is not the donor. She came and said, Shalin, I'm not the donor. I've heard from God, I'm not the donor. I said, okay, God will provide who the donor is. And that same night, I heard a voice, you don't need it because I have donated it. I am the donor. We went to the hospital next day. They did the second report. You know what doctor said? You don't need a transplant. Your bone marrow is better than a healthy man's bone marrow. This is what God can do. This is the good news that I've come to encourage. This is the good news that I have come with. This is the hope that I want to share with you. If this does not inspire you, nothing would. If this does not inspire you, if this does not makes you crazy about knowing who the real God is, what else would?
Wow.
And the story didn't end there. The story hasn't completed. यहाँ पे खत्म नहीं हुई बातें. अब उन्होंने मुझसे बात करी कि आपका कॉज क्या है, इसका. मैंने कहा पता नहीं. उन्होंने कहा you have this problem of genetic mutation. आपकी जीन्स म्यूटेट कर रही हैं, उसकी वजह से हो रहा है, और जेनेटिक म्यूटेशन सही नहीं होता. It won't, it does not get cured. So don't, ये नहीं होगा. ठीक. I said okay, नहीं होगा. मैं अपने मन में कह रहा हूँ, oh, he doesn't know where I'm coming from. Like, I'm kind of, in my heart, I'm saying, he still does not believe. Whatever he says, God wants to work the other way. He does not get that trend. Like, I come from a statistical background, so I do a lot of statistics at my work. So I follow a lot, I do a lot of forecasting and that sort of stuff. So I follow a lot of trends. So if this guy is saying something and this person on the right is doing totally different, okay, there is a trend, you know, जो वो बोलता था कि तुम्हारी किडनी पे फैल गया, and God said I'm going to secure every vital organ of yours. He did a kidney test, my kidneys were fine, better than a healthy man. He said आपके एक बार I had this because मेरी sugar low हो गई, I fainted in the daycare after my treatment. Somebody said Caesar हुआ है इसको, Caesar attack. So they took me for an MRI. It took me for an MRI. MRI हो रहा है, MRI करने के बाद I came out. He says there could be three things possibility: epilepsy. This could be a beginning of epilepsy. Your cancer has gone to your brain, or you had a stroke. You had a brain stroke. In that case, we have to stop your chemo for indefinite period of time. I said, okay. You know, I was praying that night and said, God said, don't worry, I've taken care of everything. You don't have to worry. Next morning, the the senior neuro doctor came and said, who was the idiot in the ward that said, aapko Caesar aaya? I said, one of your doctors, doctor. I don't even know what a Caesar is. So he said, are you sure it was a doctor? I said, yeah, somebody wearing a coat and a stethoscope on the throat happens to be a doctor, I think. I said, okay. So probably that doctor needs to be trained what Caesar actually means. I said, maybe. I said, for me, you are discharged. Go home. मैं उस रात hospital रहा था एक रात. And then I came back home. And then genetic mutation started. This is the cause of your disease, and इसकी वजह से आपको हुआ है, इसकी वजह से हुआ है, इसकी वजह से. कह रहे ये तो आपका ठीक नहीं होगा. And I was lying down that day when my sister, my mother and my sister got the report, and the doctor said, and I was lying down looking at the roof, and they said, you know what the doctor is saying? They said, what? ये ALL में जो mutation होती है ना, कभी ठीक नहीं होती. It has never happened. So my doctor has worked in America, he's worked in Canada, he's worked in Germany. So he's a smart head. So he said, in all my experience, it has never happened. So I looked at the sky and I said, God, I'm going to be the first one. I'm going to be the first one. You know what happened in July before I joined my office? They did a mutation test. My mutation was 0%. I had no mutation. I was satisfied. The doctor wasn't. He said, I want to do it another 6 months. I said, okay, do it. He did it another 6 months in December. He was still not satisfied. He said, we'll do another one in July. I said, go for it. He did one in July. Guess what? Normal. He was still not satisfied. He did one in December last year, which I actually went in January this year. He said, what's with you? Like, आपका क्या है, मतलब क्या कहानी है? Like, what is with you? मैंने बोला, डॉक्टर मैंने आपको कहा था मैं यहाँ से चल के जाऊंगा. And I will not go. कहते I understand faith. I understand you have faith. But medically, it's like nothing less than a miracle. It's nothing less than a miracle. I said, you cannot name it. Your profession stops you of naming this thing. But my profession tells me of magnifying this thing. And my profession is to magnify God and magnify Jesus and Jesus alone. And that has been the reason for our magnificent lives. I want to encourage each one of you in this group. If you are struggling in your heart, in your mind, kya hoga, kaise hoga? And that's the message that very nicely my brother Sharad has written in a song. कि मेरा कल तेरे हाथों में था, मेरा आज तेरे हाथों में है, और मेरा कल तेरे हाथों में है प्रभु. Everything is in God's hand, you know. The reason is why we are not able to capture what God has kept, because we are not able to acknowledge that He is. Not able to acknowledge that He is. So the day that you start acknowledging, within 6 months of my treatment, I was able to join back my work. I was able to go back to work. मैं काम पे regularly जा रहा हूँ. मैं सब कुछ काम कर रहा हूँ. I'm feeling younger and better than ever before. Just to tell you another thing, you look at my hair. You know the good thing that happened about my hair? When my treatment started, I never had hair.
Okay.
तो मेरे पास कभी हेयर लॉस की प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुई कीमो के बाद. But during my treatment, I had hair this long. Because God had promised me, Jesus said, I will take the side effects. You will never have side effects. I had no side effects, none whatsoever. I never had a sore mouth. I never had hair fall. I never had bad tummy. I had nothing. I had nothing. You know what? One day, this is what we saw. We saw daycare. अगर किसी ने दिल्ली में देखा है Max का, there are these recliners and mostly हर जगह पे recliners हैं. So you lie on your recliner, and this is people. If you want to believe, fine, believe. If you think I'm cooking up, it's fine. It's another movie, Universal Studios for you. So this is what I saw. This is what we saw. That somebody is lying and taking a chemo, and that somebody was me, lying down and taking a chemo. And right next to my recliner, there was Jesus lying. And this lady asked, "Ke aap yahan kyun lete hain?" He says, he's getting the benefits of the medicine. I'm taking the side effects. He's getting the benefits and I'm getting the side effects. In my 6 months, I had taken medicines for 24 hours chemo, 12 grams of medicines for 4 days. Okay, I'm sure aap sabke sath hua hoga. I'm sure. But I never had any side effects, none whatsoever. You know, faith can move mountains, guys. It really does. It really matters if where your trust is where do you really want your trust to be. That's the message I want to give. I want to inspire you. I want to just encourage you this evening. There is no full stop. There is no full stop.
Thank you.
Just move. Believe that God is there. God is there. And that's my story. There's one thing that I want Sharad to share about how the band worked at the back end. You know what happens. This is how I learned during my 6-7 months of treatment. जैसे आप बीमार होते हैं तो आपको एंटीबायोटिक दिया जाता है, आपको एंटीबायोटिक मिलता है. जब एंटीबायोटिक नहीं होता तो you increase your antibiotics. There is something that we call as divine antibiotics. I've called it, you don't start Googling it. It's not there on Google. It's my thing. Like, कहीं कोई research करने लगे, all the Google geeks. So there is, I call it divine antibiotics. जब बीमारी बढ़ती है, तो प्रार्थनाएं बढ़ती हैं. So as you elevate the standard of your prayers and your worship towards your maker. And that's what the band did for me. I didn't even know what they were up to. मेरे को कुछ नहीं पता था कि ये लोग क्या कर रहे हैं behind my back, how they've been doing it. I just want Sharad to just touch upon that part of the life or my story. Over to you.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Shalan, for sharing your wonderful, inspiring story. I could see expression on all of our faces. We were too deep into listening to a story. काफी लोग बोलना भी चाहते थे, बट क्योंकि आप बोल रहे थे तो मैं बाकी सब लोग म्यूट पे थे तो बोल नहीं पाए. बट वेरी डीपली इंस्पायर्ड. एंड जब आप बोल रहे थे तब काफी साइड में कॉन्वर्सेशन भी चल रहा था मैसेज पे, तो सब अपने अपने थॉट शेयर कर रहे थे. एंड आई वाज लाइक वाओ, इट्स अमेजिंग. So thank you once again. We would hear from Sharad, and Pukhraj wants to share a story of a child, and Abhishek has a question, or maybe he also wants to share something. So and we are also running out of time a bit क्योंकि 6:15 तक का था circle, but हम लोग 6:30 तक करेंगे. And we also have a performance by Shalan and the team on मेरा कल. मुझे पर्सनली बहुत अच्छा लगता है ये वीडियो, और आज हम लोग के फ्रेंड्स हमारे साथ में लाइव परफॉर्म करेंगे. सो एंड विल बी माइंडफुल ऑफ एवरीबॉडीज टाइम. तो हम लोग कोशिश करेंगे कि 6:30 से पहले पहले हम इसे खत्म करें. तो थैंक यू सो मच. प्लीज शरद, शेयर योर जर्नी.
Yeah. while everything was going on, one day suddenly we happened to receive an email. हमें एक email मिला जितने भी band members थे, and कुछ समय था जब we were completely kind of after the album release, I was in touch with Shalin. Shalin के साथ हमारी बात होती रहती थी, and then suddenly one day we got to know that he's undergoing tests for and the doctors are suspecting something. One thing that I knew for sure is that एक चीज जो मुझे पता था, पूरा यकीन था उस पे, वो ये था कि जो कुछ हो रहा है वो परमेश्वर के नियंत्रण में है. Now, I being a pastor, I take everything, or I consider everything in मेरा एक ही तरीका होता है सोचने का. एंड मैंने इसी बात को जाना और इसी बात को सबने रिसीव किया, दैट इफ दिस बी इट, अगर यही वो राह है जिससे होकर के जाना पड़ेगा तो ठीक है, सो बी इट. किसी ने कहा है जिंदगी एक इम्तिहान है, इम्तिहान का डर नहीं, हम अंधेरों से गुजर कर रोशनी कहलाएंगे. सो इफ दिस इज व्हाट गॉड वांट्स, so be it, but we know that he is there taking control of everything. एक दिन हमें ईमेल आया शालिन भाई से, और शालिन भाई ने कहा कि I've been diagnosed of this blood cancer or bone marrow cancer, and I am going to disconnect myself from everything. मैं हर एक चीज से अपने आप को डिस्कनेक्ट कर रहा हूँ, because I am being led by God to spend time with him, and I'm cutting myself off from every social network, and continue to pray for me, and I will not be responding to your mails as well. I'm handing over my cell phone to my wife, and you can talk to her. आप उनसे चेक कर सकते हो, अपडेट्स ले सकते हो, but I might not be in touch. और वो लास्ट ईमेल था, एंड देन आफ्टर दैट उसने अपनी ईमेल को डिसेबल कर दिया, उसने अपने आप को फेसबुक से डीएक्टिवेट कर दिया, व्हाट्सएप क्लोज था, उसने अपना फोन तक भाभी को दे दिया. एंड देन देयर वाज दिस बैंड, एंड हमें जैसे ही पता चला, आई थैंक गॉड कि हम हमेशा इस बात को बोलते हैं दैट ये जो बैंड है, इट इज नॉट जस्ट अ बैंड, इट्स अ फैमिली. लाइक माइंडेड पीपल हैं, भाई हैं, वी आर नॉट फ्रेंड्स, वी आर ब्रदर्स. और बाकी सब जब इस बात को पता चला, उनको जैसे ही पता चला, हमें एक बात बस पता था कि ये इंसानों से पॉसिबल नहीं है. इट इज समथिंग दैट द ह्यूमन बीइंग कांट कंट्रोल और हैंडल, क्योंकि ह्यूमन बीइंग्स कैन डेफिनेटली बी यूज्ड एज अ सोर्स, बट उनके द्वारा वो अल्टीमेट रिजल्ट नहीं आ सकता है. अल्टीमेट रिजल्ट जो है वो परमेश्वर के द्वारा ही आता है. इट इज समथिंग दैट हैज टू डू विद सुपरनैचुरल. इट हैज समथिंग दैट हैज टू डू विद द क्रिएटर ऑफ लाइफ हिमसेल्फ. एंड देन आफ्टर दैट बैंड में सब एक मत थे, और हमने प्रार्थनाएं शुरू करी. हमने प्रार्थनाएं करी, एंड फॉर सम ऑफ द डेज वी वेंट ऑन फास्टिंग एंड वी प्रेड. But I know for sure that even if I'm a pastor, अगर मैं एक पासबान हूँ, मेरी प्रार्थना असरदार नहीं है, पर मैं किससे प्रार्थना करता हूँ वो उस असर को पैदा करती है. And that is why we continually we prayed. One fine morning I woke up, और जब मैं इस बात को शालिन भाई ने शेयर नहीं किया, बट मैं आप लोग को उत्साहित करने के लिए शेयर करना चाहूंगा. इफ यू कैन comprehend, if you can understand what I'm trying to say. One fine morning I woke up and my wife just came to the living room. I was sitting there and I was kind of just reading the word. Bible पढ़ रहा था, और वो मेरे पास आई. उसने कहा कि I saw a dream. I said, what was it? उसने कहा कि मैंने देखा कि Adonai was performing on the stage, and जब आप लोग परफॉर्म कर रहे थे उस समय स्टेज में शैलन भैया नहीं थे, एंड जैसे ही आप लोग ने गाना शुरू किया वैसे ही पीछे से, स्टेज के पीछे से शैलन भैया बेस गिटार लेकर के आए एंड ही जॉइंड द बैंड एंड ऑल ऑफ यू वर परफॉर्मिंग टुगेदर. I said that I don't want to waste time. I want to call Bhabhi right now. I called Bhabhi, अर्चना भाभी जो शालन भाई की वाइफ है. I called her. और जब उनसे हमने इस बात को कहा, उन्होंने एक और दर्शन हमारे साथ बांटा जहाँ पे जेनेटिक म्यूटेशन की बात कर रहे थे शालन भाई. जब डॉक्टर ने डिक्लेयर कर दिया था that there is this genetic mutation and कुछ प्रॉब्लम है जीन्स में, one day his wife saw a dream, and what she saw is that Jesus was writing something and she was standing there looking at him writing something, and she said that, what are you writing, Jesus? What are you doing? He said that I am writing fresh genes for Shalon, क्योंकि इसके अंदर जेनेटिक म्यूटेशन है, इसकी पूरी की पूरी जीन्स रिन्यू करनी पड़ेंगी.
आई थिंक शरद आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा है. आई थिंक कुछ नेटवर्क इशू है.
Faith and to understand that you that finally we had our brother amongst us. Shalin भाई हमारे बीच में पूरी तौर से अपने पैरों पे चल करके, जैसा उन्होंने कहा था, वो उस अस्पताल से निकलने पाए, एंड परमेश्वर ने उनको पूरी तौर से शिफा दी. And we thank God for what He has done. That's what I told, that something beyond human understanding is called miracle, and miracle is always supernatural. It is something that is beyond human understanding, human control. Thank you so much.
Thank you for sharing. जैसे कि बताते हैं कि हीलिंग के बहुत सारे रास्ते होते हैं, एंड सब लोग अपना अलग-अलग अप्रोच लेते हैं हील होने का. शैलन का स्ट्रॉन्ग डीप कन्विक्शन, फेथ टुवर्ड्स जीसस, उनका इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग कन्विक्शन था कि वो हील हो पाए. मैं अभी कुछ पढ़ रही थी और मैंने ग्रुप पे शेयर भी की कुछ कोट्स जो मेरी फेवरेट है, और एक सबसे फेवरेट कोट है मेरी दलाई लामा की कि माय रिलीजन इज वेरी सिंपल, माय रिलीजन इज काइंडनेस. तो जब हम बात करते हैं रिलीजन की, स्पिरिचुअलिटी की, जो कि दोनों बहुत ही डिफरेंट चीजें हैं, तो आज का सेशन भी जैसे शैलन ने बताया कि रिलीजन सब अलग-अलग होते हैं, सबका अलग-अलग रास्ता अलग-अलग होता है, लेकिन मंजिल जो होती है वो एक ही होती है. तो जैसे महात्मा गांधी का मैंने एक बहुत ही प्यारा सा कोट भी शेयर किया है. जस्ट अ सेकंड, आई विल रीड इट अगेन. So anyway, it's lost now. So people choose different paths of healing, but ultimately they reach at the same place. So एक वही मुझे कोट याद आया आपकी स्टोरी सुन के. So very touching. And जो आपका सबका अलग-अलग चीजों में फेथ होता है. किसी का अपनी जैसे डायना का सेल्फ हीलिंग में था, वो डांस से, मेडिटेशन से उन्होंने अपने आप को ठीक किया. पुखराज ने स्टोरी बताई जहाँ पे पावर ऑफ माइंड को यूज करके ठीक है, क्योंकि उनका कन्विक्शन वहां था. आपकी स्टोरी में आपका फेथ जो है, स्ट्रॉन्ग फेथ जीसस के लिए, उसने आपको ठीक किया. सो दैट्स वेयर वी से दैट हीलिंग इज अमेजिंग, हीलिंग इज ब्यूटीफुल बिकॉज इट्स द प्रोसेस. एंड आपका प्रोसेस इतना सुंदर था, आपके साथ में इतने सारे दोस्तों का बहुत ही अच्छा सपोर्ट, स्ट्रॉन्ग सपोर्ट था. और वी रियली हैप्पी कि एक आपका जो हीलिंग सर्कल था आपके दोस्तों के साथ में, वो काफी अच्छा लगा उसे देख के. So Pukhraj, please share your journey which you wanted to share.
Thank you, Shailen. That was really, really amazing. You just spoke from the heart. And I don't know about anybody else, but I could actually feel your positive energy right across here. So thank you so much. And the whole story of your suffering, or it was more of a blessing, I feel, all comes down to one simple thing: your belief system in yourself, in your God. And this is all through the mind, and this is what I like to propagate. The mind is the most powerful thing. You know, doctors की advice अपनी जगह है. आपने सबसे अच्छी चीज जो की, you had total conviction within yourself, within your God, within your Bible. You stayed away from all the negative things. So that was just amazing. And just on that note, I would like to just share one very similar story. 3 years back, I met a child who was 16 years old, and he had a thyroid cancer. So I just met him for Adha Ghanta and just gave him a pep talk, gave a few inspiration talks and a few survivor stories. And said bye to him. 2 months later, he actually went into depression, and the counselor called me up. We asked him, what would you like to do? He says, I'd like to meet Pukhraj. So when I met him, and straight on, without him saying anything, I said, I know what your problem is. I said, because of your chemo going on, you've given up on your school, I guess. Your friends are away from you. He said, yes, sir, you're totally right. So I said, tell me, what is your passion in life? आपको क्या चीज है जो आपको excite करती है? तो कहते हैं, सर मुझे एक्टिंग पसंद है. तो मैंने कोई ग्रुप में डाला with this photo. There's this 16-year-old who's recovering from cancer, and he wants to act. Can somebody help? So some kind lady got in touch with him, put him in a school for 6-8 months where he learned acting. From there, this child joined the National School of Drama. For 8 months, he learned acting there. Today, he travels all over the country. He's on YouTube, and he's just acting. The most amazing thing in this excitement, his cancer is long forgotten. This is the power of the mind. कि जिंदगी में आपको जब आपका मकसद मिल गया, आपका goal मिल गया, then it doesn't matter what the doctor says. Today, this child is now 19 years old. He travels all over the country. He's just acting. In that whole process, his cancer is forgotten. When you find your purpose, when you are able to tell your cells, get affirmations to your body, okay, yaar, I need to be okay. This is my passion. This is what I want to be dealing with. Then to help with the cancer. So just wanted to share exactly a very similar story. The mind is the most powerful thing. Doctors, of course, they are learned. They will share what they know. But somewhere I think the doctors forget on how important the power of the mind is, or our convictions are, or our belief systems are, or our emotions are. So I just wanted to share that. Thank you, Dimple, for allowing me to share that.
Thank you. Very true, Pukhraj. Very true. And I think बहुत सारे लोग इससे relate कर पाते हैं, जो शलान ने share किया, शरद ने share किया, आपने share किया, क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं हम अपनी लाइफ में किसी न किसी पॉइंट पे तो उस जर्नी से निकलते ही हैं. If not immediately, maybe in the future, maybe you have already gone through in the past. Even 3 years back when I was going through the same journey, I never knew that I would go through that journey. But जब time आया तो निकलना पड़ा, और निकले, खुशी खुशी निकले. तो किसका कब कौन से एक्सपीरियंस का टाइम आता है कुछ कह नहीं सकते उसको, बट हाउ वेल यू गो थ्रू दैट एक्सपीरियंस, हाउ ब्यूटीफुली यू एम्ब्रेस, एक्सेप्ट, एंड देन and go through the entire process is beautiful. And people ask me at times ki how was your experience when you were doing everything for Nitish, and I just say one thing, that the process was beautiful, and at the end that's what matters. Yes, I am satisfied the way his journey happened. जैसे उनका पिछले last के 8 months जिस तरीके से निकले, I am happy about it. I am satisfied that he could live his life fully, completely, joyfully, and I am satisfied that he could die peacefully. So no regret, no grudges, a happy, kind soul who just embraced his death. So yeah, so आज कुछ सर्कल का एक्सपीरियंस मेरा तो ऐसा रहा कि ये सब just came out and I shared with all of you. So now I think Sharad, you are ready with the song?
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Alrighty. I'll put the cam
So
off.
share the song. All of us cannot pitch in because ऐसे नहीं कर पाते. Like I cannot be playing.
Okay, no problem. जैसे भी आपको comfortable.
So we won't be able to. All of us won't be able to play. So that's why I've asked Sharad to share it. So this was a song that came out in 2017 and encouraged me for 6 months and 7 months of treatment. And this is the song basically that I done the entire album that helped me through.
ख्वाहिशें जब देती दस्तक, मेरी निगाहें तुझको है निहारती। दिल कहे जब खो रहा सब, तुझको मसीहा सांसें है पुकारती। ख्वाहिशें जब देती दस्तक, मेरी निगाहें तुझको है निहारती। दिल कहे जो खो रहा सब, तुझको मसीहा सांसें है पुकारती। जो कल्पना तूने रची बेहतर मेरे लिए वो सभी, जो कल्पना तूने रची बेहतर मेरे लिए वो सभी, तुझ पर भरोसा है मुझको है खुदा। मेरा कल तेरे हाथों में था, आज तेरे हाथों में है, कल तेरे हाथों में है प्रभु। मेरा कल तेरे हाथों में था, आज तेरे हाथों में है, कल तेरे हाथों में है प्रभु। तेरी मर्जी पूरी हो मेरे यीशु, तेरी मर्जी पूरी हो मेरे यीशु, तेरी मर्जी पूरी हो मेरे यीशु, तेरी मर्जी पूरी हो मेरे यीशु। जब भी गिरूं मैं तू थामता है मुझे, अंधेरों में भी संग रहे। घबराऊं जब मैं उठते तूफानों से, खामोश उनको तू करे। मेरे साथ है जब तू मसीह, मुझे कोई डर है नहीं। लिपटा रहूं तुझसे सदा, बस चाहता हूँ यही, तेरे साए में ही रहूं मैं अब सदा। मेरा कल तेरे हाथों में था, आज तेरे हाथों में है, कल तेरे हाथों में है प्रभु। मेरा कल तेरे हाथों में था, आज तेरे हाथों में है, कल तेरे हाथों में है प्रभु। तेरी मर्जी पूरी हो मेरे यीशु, तेरी मर्जी पूरी हो मेरे यीशु, तेरी मर्जी पूरी हो मेरे यीशु, तेरी मर्जी पूरी हो मेरे यीशु। मेरा दिल मेरी जान तेरे हवाले मसीह, जैसी तेरी रजा जियूं उसमें मैं जिंदगी। मुझको है पता प्यार करता है तू मुझे, छोड़ेगा ना कभी, कोई संग रहे ना रहे, तेरे वादों पर है मुझे पूरा यकीन, तेरे वादों पर है मुझे पूरा यकीन। मेरा कल तेरे हाथों में था, आज तेरे हाथों में है, कल तेरे हाथों में है प्रभु। मेरा कल तेरे हाथों में था आज, तेरे हाथों में है कल, तेरे हाथों में है प्रभु। तेरी मर्जी पूरी हो मेरे यीशु, तेरी मर्जी पूरी हो मेरे यीशु, तेरी मर्जी पूरी हो मेरे यीशु, तेरी मर्जी पूरी हो मेरे यीशु।
What a wonderful person.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you everyone.
Thank you.
आप सब अपना म्यूट कर सकते हैं. Yes, yes.
Thanks, it was
Much for being here with us today, everyone. Thank you, Shalan, for the performance. Next week, Healing Circle, Power of Mind Pay, and Raj to share the stories. This has been inspiring a lot of people you have been working with. I'll also share some of the stories I have been working with, how power of mind and power of sport has inspired so many people. Because ultimately वही हमें चाहिए होता है. तो thank you everyone for joining. आप सब लोग अपने आप को unmute कर सकते हैं और एक दूसरे को जो भी बोलना चाहे बोल सकते हैं. We'll quickly wrap up in 2 minutes.
it was really very beautiful listening to the entire journey we all heard, and he started with a word called surrender. So I'm reminded of a slope from Gita when Krishna asks with a lot of confusion and the challenge ahead of him. And Krishna agreed to help him, but he put a condition, and that condition is said in this slope. It says, सर्व धर्म परित्यज्य मामेकं शरणं व्रज। उन्होंने कहा कि आज तक आपको जितना भी ज्ञान और अज्ञान है, जो भी विश्वास है अविश्वास है, सबका त्याग करके अगर आपको 100% मेरे सामने सरेंडर करना होगा, and then I will lead you to the path of